Do you want to know how you can enable the auto delete watched videos on Prime Video? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the auto delete watched videos in Amazon Prime. Go ahead and open Amazon Prime or Prime Video on your phone and then click on Profile on the top right hand side and go to Settings. Now click on Stream and Download and go to Auto Downloads option, which is over here. You can see the delete watched episodes. You can go ahead and make it turn blue, and if it is showing on, you can see that you have enabled the auto delete watched episodes or videos. Let me show it to you once again. Go to your profile, click on Settings and tap on Stream and Downloads. Now tap on Auto Downloads and you can see the delete watched episodes option. If it is turned off, you can turn it on and you will delete, or the Amazon Prime will delete all of the watched videos automatically. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.